Muscle loss after 60. Many seniors feel worried when they hear that after 60, you can lose up to 8% of muscle every 10 years if you do not get enough protein. This matters because weaker muscles increase the risk of falls, slow walking. Protein grams per day. Many experts now suggest that adults over 60 may need around 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day, which surprises a lot of people who thought they needed less with age. This is important. Top plant proteins. Many seniors are surprised to learn that a modest 100-gram block of firm tofu provides roughly 12 grams of protein, while a single cup of cooked lentils can give around 18 grams, making them powerful meatless options. Balanced plate method. Many people feel relieved when they see that a strong meatless plate can be built with just 4 clear parts, such as 1 palm of protein, 1 fist of vegetables, 1 cupped hand of whole grains, and a small thumb. One-day sample menu. Many viewers feel more confident when they see a simple one-day sample that delivers around 70 grams of protein without any meat at all. This is important because a clear example removes confusion, shows how to space. Diabetes and blood pressure. Many seniors living with type 2 diabetes or blood pressure over 140 worry that high-protein diets will harm their kidneys or spike their numbers. This is important because the real issue is usually too much. Kidney-friendly choices. Many people with kidney concerns feel scared when they hear words like stage 2 or stage 3 chronic kidney disease, but gentle meatless protein can often still fit with careful planning from your doctor or dietitian. Real-life senior examples. Many seniors feel encouraged when they hear that in small studies, older adults increasing protein to about 1.1 grams per kilogram per day, often with plant sources, showed better leg strength and walking speed. Interactive protein quiz. Many viewers are surprised when a quick 3-question check reveals that they may be eating far less than 60 grams of protein per day. This matters because without noticing, you might be relying on white rice, bread. Quiz answers and gaps. Many people realize after the quiz that they only eat obvious protein at 1 meal per day and can name maybe 2 or 3 meatless protein sources, which is a useful alarm bell. This is important because awareness is the mid-video summary. Many seniors feel clearer when they hear a brief summary that ties together the last 10 minutes into 3 simple rules. The key message is that you likely need around 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram per day. FAQ. Soy safety. Many people worry after hearing mixed messages that eating soy products like tofu or soy milk every day might raise cancer or hormone risks, especially for women over 50. This is important because fear can keep you from FAQ. Protein shakes. Many seniors feel tempted by shiny tubs that promise 30 grams of protein per scoop, but they are unsure whether these powders are necessary once they start using beans and tofu. This matters because unnecessary, soft and easy to chew meals. Many older adults with missing teeth, sore gums, or dentures feel discouraged when they see hard beans or chewy vegetables on their plate. This is important because if chewing is painful, you will naturally. Daily protein checklist. Many viewers find it helpful to use a simple 5-point checklist that takes less than 2 minutes each evening to review their food choices. This matters because a small daily review keeps you consistent, helps you. Final summary and action. Many seniors feel a strong sense of hope when they realize that with just 1 or 2 changes per week, they can build a meatless diet that still provides 60 to 80 grams of protein a day and protects their